Morning, children. In the last class, we discussed about reflection and different types of images, and we discussed about what is the difference between shadow and image, what is a lateral image, how the image depends upon. All this I have discussed, and a beautiful garden by arranging the parallel mirrors in a shoebox. Multiple reflections will see. Due to that multiple reflection in a small area, you can create a huge garden. And we discussed about periscope also. Now, today, let me explain about cardioscope. Cardioscope. What is meant by cardioscope? Let us discuss. Cardioscope. Take 3 mirror strips of the same size. Tie the strips with the rubber bands to form a triangular tube as shown in the figure 17a. What is doing? Take 3 mirror strips. These 3 mirror strips and should arrange in the form of a triangle, and the 3 are tied with a rubber band. 3 are tied with a rubber band. While tying the strips together, remember to keep their reflecting surface face each other. When you are doing the 3 mirrors plain mirrors you are bringing together and tying in the form of a triangle, you should see that, you should check that reflecting surface should face each other inside the tube. Cover one end of the tube with a translucent paper using rubber band. Cover the second end with a cardboard sheet and make a hole in it so that you can look inside it. Your cardioscope is ready. Now put few small pieces of colored glass bangles inside the triangular tube as shown in the figure. Now look at the bangle pieces through the hole as shown in the figure. So what is asking? Take 3 metal mirror strips and arrange them. Join them mirror strips in the particular shape, that is a triangular shape. And what is the condition? Reflecting surface should face each other. Reflecting surface should face each other. When the reflecting surface faces each other, automatically you will get a good reflection and image. And tie the upper end of that with a white translucent paper and with the help of a rubber band, and make a hole at the other end. Insert few glass pieces, broken bangle pieces, and observe the broken glass pieces from that hole. You can shake the cardioscope and try to see through the hole, slowly rotating it. Now what happens? What change you will observe? What change you will observe, Amma? Can you explain why this happened? Have you seen this type of a pattern? Those observed in a cardioscope in your day-to-day life, like a rainbow you will get. So it is very easy to prepare. Once again, let me explain how he prepared. If you have take 3 mirror strips of a same size, if you have the broken mirror, and cut into 3 parts slowly. Take the help of your parents. Cutting is not so easy. And if you have the 3 metal strips of same size, tie the strips with the help of a rubber band to get a triangular tube. While tying the strips together, remember to keep their reflecting surfaces together, and cover one end of the tube with a translucent paper using a rubber band. Cover the second end with a cardboard sheet and make a hole to it so that you can look inside. Your cardioscope is ready. Now put small pieces of a colored glass bangles inside the triangular tube and try to observe that broken glass pieces with that hole, through that hole. What you will observe? A different colors, and when you shake and rotate also we will see the rainbow. Okay, now you can prepare your own cardioscope. Once again I am explaining. Take 3 mirror strips, bring that 3 mirror strips together and give in the shape, tie them with the help in the form of a triangle like this. These 3 should be tied in the form of a triangle with the help of a rubber band, and the top surface is, if If it is tried in the form of triangle, it gives a which shape, amma? Triangular shape, and cover the top surface with a transparent paper. Other end it will be with the cardboard sheet. Make a hole to that cardboard. Insert few bangles in that. Observe the reflection of the bangles through that hole, and observe the color of that bangles. It looks like a rainbow and different designs and different cuts. Okay. Have you ever observed your image in a rear view mirrors? Yes. If not, today you see that. Vehicle side mirrors are said to be a rear view mirrors. If you observe your image, how it looks, whether it looks enlarged, small, big, or how it looks, you observe. Have you observed the mirrors at the both sides of a driver in a motor vehicles like bus, car or motorcycle, etc.? Yes. These are rear view mirrors. They are used for driving to see the vehicles which are behind or beside of the vehicle without turning our heads. Have you ever observed your image in that mirror? How is your image in that mirror? Take a plain mirror, go to a vehicle, observe your image in the rear view mirror and as well as in a plain mirror. What difference you will notice? You will find. You might have noticed that the image formed by rear view mirrors is smaller than the image formed in the plain mirror. Why is like that? What conclusion? See children, everyone they have their own vehicle. Sama go to the vehicle and see your image in the side mirrors, that is the rear view mirrors, and again see your face in a plain mirror. Do you find any difference? Yes. In rear view mirrors, the image is bigger than the plain mirror. So why this change has been occurred? Have you observed reverse image of yourself in any mirror? Yes. Try to observe your image in a stainless steel plate, steel spoon. The curved shining surface on the either side of the spoon act like a mirror as shown in this. So we can see the reverse image. How is the image of that outer portion of the spoon? How is the image on the inner portion of the spoon? When you look at the inner portion of the spoon, you find a reverse image. The inner portion of the spoon act like a concave mirror. When you look at the outer portion of the spoon, you find a small size image. Outer portion of spoon act as a convex mirror. Have you seen the mirrors whose reflecting surfaces look like the head of the steel spoon? Yes. So here what you want to say children, there are the two spherical mirrors. The mirrors which contains curved surfaces are called spherical mirrors, and we have two types of spherical mirrors, concave and a convex. Now let me show what is a concave and a convex. Concave, see this is a spherical mirror. If we cut into two halves, we will get like this. So inside part is said to be a concave and outer bulge one is said to be a convex. Okay, cleared about that? Concave and convex both are the parts in a spherical mirrors. When spherical mirror is cut into two parts, inside part is said to be a concave and outer part is said to be a convex. Let us form image with the spherical mirrors. So is asking us to take one of the spherical mirror like a concave or a convex, place the concave and convex mirrors on a two different V stands. See, this is the mirror which he arranged on a V stand. It is there in our school, and put two candles of the same size in front of them as shown in the figure. Adjust the position of the candle to form a clear image in the mirrors. Observe the size of the image and compare them with the candle size. What difference do you notice? By seeing the figure, you can say that the concave image is the enlarged. Can we obtain images formed on mirrors on the screen? Let us see them. What difference you notice between the images of object in the concave mirror? Concave mirror will give the bright and enlarged image. Try this in a dark room. Place a concave mirror on a V stand. place a lighted candle in front of it, place a thick white paper drying sheet behind the candle. This act as a screen. So dentist this act as a screen. Adjust the distance between a candle and the mirror, the screen, so that you get the clear image. By repeating that what you will that you can got the image, you can get the image. Repeat the activity using concave and concave. Images of which mirrors are formed on the screen. The image, if we caught on the screen, they are said to be a real image. If the image does not caught on the screen directly, we can see in a mirror, such image is said to be a virtual image. Have you noticed the surface of reflection in torchlight or a headlight of a vehicle? Observe the torchlight or headlight vehicle. You notice a concave mirror behind the bulb. Due to this concave surface, the brightness of the small bulb is increased. Okay. Now, one more activity is given. You should do this activity in a dark room. Okay. Take a V stand, place a concave mirror and light a candle, place in front of a mirror. Behind the candle, hold a white paper which acts as a screen. Adjust the position of the screen so that you will get the bright image. The figure 27, what you are observing? Complete structure of your teeth. Who is that person? A dentist checking your teeth. When we check his teeth, he will use one type of mirrors like this. They are the concave. Why? Because the internal organs are very minute. They are very small. To see that and to understand clearly, to check the clear, he will use a concave. What is the use of using the concave? It gives the enlarged image. This mirror is used by doctors to help to see the bigger image of a teeth. What type of images they are? What type of mirrors they are? Concave. Okay. In our daily life, while we stand in front of windows, we observe our image on the glass of the same window, but don't find image on the glass same of some other windows. Why? Our image is clear when we stand in front of certain glass as shown in the figure. Our image is not clear when we stand in front of other glasses. Why? What change you will notice? Why do certain glasses form clear image? Why as images in other glasses are not clear? A regular reflection from smooth surface like that a mirror is called regular reflections. Clear images are formed. Reflections from surface or irregular surface is called irregular reflections or diffuse reflection. Images are not clear in case of irregular reflections. So what is our question he asked? When you will get a clear image? Regular reflections will get a clear image. What is meant by regular reflection? Reflection from a smooth surface like a mirror is said to be a regular reflections. In the case of regular reflections, how will be the image ma? It is very clear. And what is irregular reflections? If reflecting the surface is not smooth, rough, then such reflections are called as a irregular reflections. At that time image is not clear, it is very little bit dim. Clear? Today what we have discussed? We discussed about the kaleidoscope and we discussed about spherical mirrors are two types, that is a concave and a convex. Always through concave we will get the enlarged image and through convex we will get the image looks very smaller from a longer distance. And dentists use a concave mirrors because he want to see the enlarged image of our teeth. So always you will prefer to use a concave images, concave mirrors. Okay. And what is a regular reflection? Irregular reflection also we discussed. That's all children. Few topics today I am not going forward, and let me remind about your classwork children, projects and activity. You finished your S7 correction part, everything is finished. So try to complete your classwork and projects and submit in the school. Okay ma? Thank you children.